In today's video, I'm going to share with you a super delicious, super quick cream cheese French toast bake. You are going to see just how quickly this comes together, especially if you have a little helper in the kitchen like I am lucky enough to have today. I am slicing a loaf of French bread into 1-inch slices and spreading cream cheese on both sides and placing them in a sprayed 9x13 pan. For our custard filling, we have 2 cups of milk. We will whisk in 6 eggs, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, a half a cup of melted butter, and some delicious homemade vanilla. You want to whisk everything together and pour this over your bread. And then you want to cover this and let it soak in the refrigerator for at least an hour or up to overnight. And when you are ready to bake this, put it in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. This French toast bake smells incredible coming out of the oven. I hope you guys try this one for a bit of an elevated twist on a delicious classic dish. Perfect for a cold winter day. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing because we love to share all sorts of delicious baked goods we make in this kitchen, garden fresh harvests and preserving, along with some simple home-cooked meals we make for our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you can join us for the next one.